Hello friends, welcome to my channel Versatile Richer. Today I am sharing weight loss mixed vegetable soup recipe. This is fully loaded with fresh veggies and flavors. This is a very good option as your dinner or an appetizer. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like the video. Ingredients are spinach, ginger, tomatoes, carrots, mushrooms, corn and lemon. Wash all the vegetables nice and clean. This recipe is a great way to use leftover veggies over the week. I am preparing for 2 of us, so I am adding 4 button mushrooms and handful of spinach. Before we start chopping the vegetable, let's turn on the heat. Keep it at medium. This is my serving bowl. I'm gonna use it for measurement. I'm preparing for 2, so adding 2.5 bowl of water as we are going to lose some while cooking. Peel the carrots and chop them in small pieces so that they get tender easily. Chop the mushrooms in thin slices. Fine chop tomatoes. And lastly, the spinach. I'm done with the chopping. You can see small bubbles. Water is hot. It's time to add carrots. Watch your hands as water is hot. Add carrots first as it takes time to cook. I have also added piece of a ginger to get the good flavor, and I will take it out once soup is ready. Add salt and black pepper. Give it a good mix. Let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Add vegetables one by one. I am using vessel with thick base for better distribution of heat and not adding any cornstarch for the thickness. Now cover it with lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take off the lid, add lemon and small bowl of corns. Leave it for another 5 minutes without lid. Now soup is ready. It's time to serve. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for more notifications. Thank you.